Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Bitget with Telegram. To log into Bitget with Telegram, first of all open up the Bitget wallet app and make sure that you're inside the home page. From the home page, tap on the waffle menu at the top left corner. Now click on the login button on the next page. It'll take you to your login page from where you can choose your login method. While logging in, you can choose email or phone number, sub-account option, Google account, Apple ID, or your Telegram account. To log in with Telegram, go ahead and tap on the Telegram logo right under Login With. It'll then take you to the Login with Telegram interface where you need to tap on Next. Select your country from the drop-down and enter your phone number in the text box. Once you do that, tap on Next. You will now receive a verification message on the number that you've sent. Open up your Telegram application and you will receive a login request. Click on Confirm after opening it up and get back to the Bitget wallet app. Click on Accept and that way you will then be able to log into Bitget with Telegram. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video.